Hello guys, if you guys are already planning to prepare for GATE 2023, I'm talking about those students who have already prepared for 2022 or 2021. If you have taken GATE exam in 2021 or 2022 and now you are planning again to take 2023, then see guys, there are two things because of that you are planning for 2023. That's all. First thing, you could not get a satisfied rank, or you could not get your dream IIT, or you were getting the IIT but you were not getting your dream branch department. That's why you are planning to write 2023 again. This is one thing. Next thing is you could not prepare well, you could not put enough effort, because of that you could not qualify GATE exam. So these two are the main main reasons because of that you are going to write 2023. Other than that, you can have your own personal reasons, like you simply, like you are sitting into IIT but simply you are taking your GATE exam one more time. So that is like, this video is not helpful for them who is already getting seat after 2022 and they are simply trying one more time just to improve their rank for some other personal reasons. So if I mean to say that, what are the things, strong points, strong pick points, what you have to focus when you are preparing again for 2023 exam. So see, first thing, whatever syllabus you have covered in 2022, right? Of course, if you have prepared for 2021, then definitely you could have revised in 2022 as well. So focus on those students who have prepared 2022 and now they are targeting 2023. So for them, best way is, see guys, whatever notebook you have prepared, so within, like, roughly you can say, like, how do we revise GATE exam? Like, before 10 days we used to revise everything, correct? So you apply same concept, same logic, you revise your entire pattern within 30 to 40 days. It is easy, like 1 week you assign to all the subjects, and 30 to 40 days you can revise everything. I'm not talking about engineering mathematics and aptitude. Engineering mathematics and aptitudes, these are not subjects, they are like everyday practice things. So like, but core subjects are, you can consider like this. So, and one more thing here, only I'm adding this, if you are watching my channel for the very first time, this video, stay for a few days on my channel. All the content about GATE Aerospace exam already I have uploaded. That's why I'm not uploading now, because everything is there. You just type anything, for example, aerodynamics center by concept library, anything you like, whatever you want to search, you just put concept library. Everything is available for GATE Aerospace exam. They are live, they are the small clips of the live class what I take, and I have qualified GATE 6 times, and I'm also taking classes for GATE Aerospace exam. My first batch was on 2015 and I have given ranks in 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and now I'm running batch for 2023. Okay, so now you have to revise your entire syllabus. Come to the point, you have to revise your entire syllabus. And one more thing, join as soon as possible, because if you're not joining coaching, you are late. If you're planning to join as soon as possible. I have 19 different programs for GATE Aerospace department. So anyone like of your choice, you pick that and you start your preparation. Okay, leave that part, come back again. Guys, you revise your notebook for within 30 to 40 days. You can take 45 days, but not more than that. Okay, you go for a complete revision. After that, because already you have prepared for 2022, so all the concepts are clear. If not clear, then situation is different. If not clear, then clear that, then join classes, or if you are into self-study, then do self-study, complete your program, and after that, as soon as possible, jump to test series, because you guys are not like nibas and nibis of second year, third year students. Already you have prepared one time. Now you are planning to reappear in GATE exam 2023. Okay, so for that, your strategy will be very, very different. Okay, so as soon as possible, you revise. If you are already enrolled in any coaching center, like in my coaching center or some other coaching center for GATE Aerospace preparation, then no problem, I will guide them and your coaching center will guide you. In that way, you can flow with the flow. But now if you are self-study category student, then do this very fast and immediately take any test series. Like I have all the topic wise test series, subject wise test series, like all types of test series. I have more than 400 plus test series. Like you just purchase that and you start practicing test series. Because see, how much you are prepared, who will tell you? If you are self-study candidate, who will tell you how much you are prepared? Or anyway, even if you're in coaching center, how will you know where do you stand? Only test series can tell you idea that you are standing here. And one more thing, remember, test series is not the way to learn things. If you are that kind of person who is learning new thing with the help of test series, it means you are not safe side. It means for the study purpose, whatever you are referring, either your seniors notes or some coaching center notes, or you are into some coaching center note, change something. Okay, it means your concept is not clear because you are learning with the numericals. Okay, sometimes what happens, like when teacher is teaching, roughly 70 to 80% you will understand in live class. Just a moment. So video gone. No, it's running. Yeah, okay. So roughly 70 to 80% you understand from the live class, and remaining whatever you don't understand, for that you revise, correct? So like in my class, I give video lectures also, so you can visit the lectures, same lecture again, and you can revise that, and you can ask your doubts. So, but if you're a self-study candidate, then if you are prepared very well, then revise and jump to test series. If you are not prepared, then prepare that item first. Now see, come to those points where you guys have done mistakes last year for 2022, and same mistakes you are about to repeat in 2023 as well. Let's understand this part. See, did you solve enough number of test series? See, first thing I'm telling you, I don't believe in test series. I believe in the concept. If your concept is clear, then you can solve any numerical after solving some examples. Okay, but on average, people are learning for with the help of test series also. So are you one of them? Are you learning with the help of test series? Then no problem. If that is your weakness, no problem. You have to crack GATE exam somehow, so no problem. You start solving test series and learn from the test series, because in Kane Prakaran you have to go into IIT, right? You have to clear GATE exam. So even though if you are learning from test series, no problem. It is anyway, it is kind of value addition in your GATE preparation. So you solve the test series. But I am not in that support that students should learn with the help of test series. No, test series only for one purpose. Do you understand this particular topic or not? Okay, so how will you understand the topic? That is your choice. Either you self-study or coaching, or somehow. Okay, that is different thing. Now, so means the first point is, whatever weakness you had last year in the last 2022 attempt, did you find the solution for that? If you could not understand any topic, do you have a teacher now? Like I am the teacher. So do you have me now? Have you enrolled in my coaching center or somewhere else? If any topic is not comfortable in the last 2022, then do it. Meet people and clear your concept. Okay, you will be having the list, correct, of the last year 2022, that these are topics completely very good, and these are topics you are lagging them. Okay, now it means what? You filter what are the topics you don't understand in 2022, you could not understand in 2022, and now again in 2023 they are being trouble. So as soon as possible, work out and finish them. Okay, why I'm targeting as soon as possible? Because you are not like Nibaz and Nibis, you are master type student. Now you are you can finish your syllabus as soon as possible. Like by the end of June, July, you finish. Self-study people, okay, you finish, and then you put yourself into test series practice or example practice, or like different practice sessions. Now next attempt, now next mistake, what you have made last year. The mistake is you are not able to recall your formulas because of lack of memory. If this kind of problem you have, then from now itself you start writing down formulas. And how will you write, how will you remember the formulas? Best way, I am telling in almost every videos, take the screenshot of the formula and put on your mobile wallpaper. Whatever formula is tough for you, for example, total pressure variation across the normal shock wave, that formula if you are not able to recall, or for example elastic modulus relation, if you are not able to recall those formulas, you take photo and you put on your mobile screen, wallpaper for 10 to 15 days, and easily, like you'll be seeing them for a long time. It will come in your, okay. Or if you have your partner, like girlfriend, boyfriend, so in their WhatsApp background you put the formula, okay, so that you can, okay, leave that. So this thing is like, first thing, your course completion should be as soon as possible somehow. Next thing is formula should be ready very fast, like as soon as possible. Now very important thing, your health issues. Like in my coaching center last year, I got very good strength amongst, like I had so many students, 200 plus students I had, and 163 plus admissions, selections I have given this year for so now see what I have seen. 3-4 girls were sick during the exam and during the preparation, so they could not prepare well because they were not well. And 2 to 3 boys were also, like one of my student, he was very sick, like he had some stomach problem, something, some operation, something was like so much hectic. So he was in contact with me and he was saying, sir, this is the problem and that. So he could not prepare well. Anyway, he attempted the exam. I mean to say that your health issue is a very big matter during GATE preparation, because see, it depends like how seriously you are taking this exam. So guys, see, for many people GATE exam is very serious exam, and it is serious. From now, see, 2021 2022 pattern is continuously changing. Level of question is going in more deep and conceptual. Okay, why are they introducing MSQ? Why are they introducing MSQ? Because they need cream people. They don't want the milk, they want cream people. Means your concept should be extraordinary. I will make a separate video why 2023 exam will be different than other past exams. Okay, so for that you can see upcoming videos. Like if you have not subscribed me, subscribe channel and share with your people. Now see, so first thing, clear, you have to finish your syllabus as soon as possible. Next, formulas revision as soon as possible, and then quickly you jump to your test series, and then you have to take care of your health. If health will not help you, then you cannot help yourself. Okay, so you have to keep focusing your like regular pattern, like you're healthy or not, how's your, and one more thing. See, I should not complain in this way, but I have seen people like some people, they smoke a lot. Student, because of that, I don't know, I'm not medical student, but some people, my own friends, like they used to say those time, like their memory is not that good of that level. So for that also you apply some remedies, you work on your health, memory health, and you improve your memory. Because see guys, GATE exam is a war, and you have to be ready in all the way. Formula should be ready, concept should be ready, everything should be ready, because you are going to attempt second time or maybe third time. So you have to, when you planned for the very first time to have GATE exam, so didn't you think that I will be the topper? But 2022 exam got over and you could not achieve a very good rank in 2022. Now what are you waiting for? So you should plan everything from next morning. You become like a very serious aspirant. Whatever you are doing garbage, like leave them out of your life, flush them out of your life, and now come back to the track. What should be the track? It depends on every individual. You make a schedule of every day before sleeping. I mean, when you are on bed that night itself, you make the chart, like next day what is your schedule, and every week you assign like these 3-4 days I will revise complete aircraft structure, and then I will purchase the topic wise test series, and I will practice aircraft because see guys, you guys are different than those guys who are very beginner for GATE preparation. Okay, already you guys have prepared. So now as soon as possible, revise, finish your syllabus, jump to test series and start taking test series. By the end of September or October mid, you should be finishing everything with the help of test series, including previous year question papers also. Okay, how will you do that? If you are not having any kind of test series or something, then immediately you purchase from me, because I have everything with detailed solution. One very important thing. Whatever coaching center you are targeting to purchase test series, keep in mind, everyone is not producing question paper with detailed solution. I am the coaching center who is giving you test series with detailed solution, and in many tough questions I have given video solutions also. Like you will be having video solution. So this makes me different than any other coaching center. Anyway, so repeaters, I mean students who are reappearing GATE exam for 2023, best of luck again. Now journey begins. Like every day or almost one video in 1 day or 2 days I'll be uploading for GATE guidance, because you should have someone to talk regularly for your GATE preparation, so that you can have some kind of positivity, some kind of motivation. See, students who are studying in my coaching center, already I am in touch with them, but students who are preparing for GATE exam by self-study, there should be someone so that they can feel connected that they are on track or they are not on track. Like someone should be there to guide them. So that's why I'm making these kind of guidance videos. Okay, so your energy level should never go down if you are preparing for GATE Aerospace exam. Your energy level should be like every day you should go high in your preparation strategy. And one more thing, whatever you are preparing this time again 2023, make sure concepts are ready. After concepts, solve examples related to those problems. If you are not able to solve, see, one more thing, self-study for GATE preparation is not very easy thing. Whoever is cracking GATE exam, if they are saying that they have cracked GATE exam by self-study in 3-4 months, no, strictly no. I know GATE exam. I have qualified 6 times. I am teaching from last 8 years. Okay, more than 15 years I am into aerospace academics. I know GATE syllabus, I know GATE preparation very well. If you are putting yourself into self-study, you have to be extra aware. You have to put lot of effort than anyone else. And remember, you should not bother about those stories who could not qualify GATE exam. Your seniors or your friends, they could not qualify GATE exam. Don't worry. You will definitely qualify GATE exam. Definitely you will qualify GATE exam. What is the key? Key is regularity. What is regularity? You have to assign some time. In that time, you have to study at any cost. Until and unless it is not any medical emergency, you should not stop your routine. You should keep on working on your schedule. If you will not do that, see, there is a quote, either change yourself or change your dream. Okay, so don't change your dream. Your dream is absolutely correct. Because you are an aeronautical or aerospace engineer, so GATE is very, very good opportunity for you. Very soon I will make other videos related to GATE guidance. Thank you so much. And one more thing, let's meet on WhatsApp.